Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log out of WhatsApp on your iOS device. Unlike many other apps, WhatsApp does not have a direct logout button, but you can still sign out by clearing the data or uninstalling the app. So in order to do that on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and close off your WhatsApp application and press and hold the WhatsApp app from your home screen. Now in the pop-up, click on Remove App. Click on Delete App twice and this will delete your WhatsApp application right away. After you are done with it, this will log you out. To use WhatsApp again, you can reinstall it from the App Store and log back in. So that is the only way you can log out of the WhatsApp application using your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.